Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to design a personal logo for a friend of mine and I'll show you how I did it. So stay with me. So I got an email from you that contained what he wanted. Said brand name, AAA, about business. It's more of a personal logo for my name altogether. And I want the logo design to depict two things: royalty and the path to paradise. I don't mind the busy logo, I just wanted to talk about those two things. Moreover, make sure the logo look well on the business card and merchandise. The color, masculine color, like green, black or beige. So in a request like this, I consider breaking the steps down to 5 steps. Step 1 is knowing the symbol and the color palette to use for your design. For me, here is my list of symbols and color palettes I'm going to use for this design. Number 1, crown, which represents royalty. Number 2, letter P, which represents paradise. Number 3, the brand name, which is AAA. And lastly, a path. And here is the color palette I'm going to use for this design. Step 2 is sketching out the ideas. Step 3 is inking the idea. Step 4 is presenting the idea and what it stands for. Step 5 is to present it with its color palette and mockups. So if you enjoyed this video and got anything from it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.